What's going on, guys? So this is a quick breakdown of the app Cohesive AI. It's called cohesive.so. It is super easy, super good to use if you're a content creator because it can do a whole lot in one place, and a lot of things are free on here. So I'm going to show you. This is a price breakdown. First of all, if you want like all the tools, you want to use stuff with PDFs, or you just want to use it to its like full capacity, but you can do a lot of things when it comes to the free version. So over here at Cohesive, this is what it looks like. So this thing can basically do anything when it comes to writing scripts for TikTok, Instagram. When it comes to brainstorming things, you can just look through and see what you actually need. Things for LinkedIn, things when it comes to pitching people, right? So say you got some ideas you want to run by people and pitch people, got it, roadmaps. It literally can do so many things. You just have to go through this and find exactly what you like need it for, but you don't have to go through and look through it. You just come up here and type in what you need. So if you need something for LinkedIn, you just type in LinkedIn, and then all these things will create for you. So this is kind of better than using ChatGPT because you don't have to know the prompts. This thing knows the prompts for you, so it can basically point you in the right direction even faster. But let's just say that we want to pick a random niche, like say your niche is fashion, right? You want to teach people about fashion, and you want to write an Instagram. Yeah, let's write an Instagram reel. So you come here and maybe type in, say fashion, fashion coaching. I don't know, something random. So I'm writing about fashion coaching. So generate, and then this thing will go ahead and create you scripts about fashion coaching. I don't even know if that's even a thing, but there it goes right here. It's going to come here, create you a script for it, and then you can tell it to write it in a different tone. You can change the tone. You can say soft, right? Then it'll write it soft, almost like a ChatGPT would do, but just specifically for what you're searching for. And then the next thing that it can do that's super powerful is, let's just say that you want to make content, but you don't feel comfortable with your face or voice. How you can do it is you can just come right over here, and then it already generates you a voice. So say you're a woman, come here and pick a woman's voice like Joanna, hit generate, and then it'll just read it as a woman's voice. So you don't have to use your voice. Super powerful. And okay, let's just also say you have a company and you're trying to increase your sales. You can just come over here to the sales area, and then it'll help you with your cold emails and everything in this area. It's literally a time saver. Like, let's just say cold emails. You want to write about fashion coaching. I don't even know what fashion coaching is, but I guess we're creating it today. And there we go. It's going to say, dear blank, as a fashion enthusiast, and it's going to write you a whole cold email that you can send to people. And it's so fast, it's so intuitive, and it's easy to have one tool that is only with content creation. Like, it only has to do with content creation, and it specializes in it. And you can just go through here and search exactly what you're trying to use this tool for marketing purposes. If you're into Amazon FBA, like, there's so many use cases for it, but it's just here, very easy to use. Or you can use the shortcut up here. So if you go to create new, there you go right here. These are probably the things you need to do. If you don't feel like scrolling all the way down, you can just look Tinder DM generator. So if you're trying to pick up a shawty or a dude, there you go right here. So you guys can play around with this and find, how you want to use it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Most of the things that you can do on here is free, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So there you go. Also, if you feel stuck or you're in a transitional phase in your life and you just want to make money online but don't know how, you need someone to show you how to make money online, join the AI Inner Circle. It's basically a community for business owners that want to use AI to make money online. So yeah, join it. The link is below, and I'm excited to get to know you guys.